that and this.
All of these ones.
This
So
one's
far we're
better.
getting
This
these
one's better
two.
than this one.
And these.
Should we get this?
Yeah.
Because this one's better than the other one. It's got a little bit more give to it.
I'm trying to find all the ones I don't have.
Come back.
Here.
Sure.
So here's all of the Squishies.
This one's pretty.
This is the only Crush Ball that they have today.
No, I have no idea.
I already have this one.
Do you have this one already?
Yeah, I have that one. Remember, mine's really slow rising.
Yeah.
Looks are good. Like, you see the mini donuts?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you should check. You see that cake roll on the top?
This?
No, like sitting on the ledge.
This?
Sitting on the ledge.
This?
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks pretty good, actually.
Is it good? Yeah, that's good. This one's good.
That's right.
Okay. Is that all the Squishies?
Mm-hmm.
Good Squishies. Ooh. Not really good. Here's this. All the Squishies. Ooh. Lizard.
It's actually kind of disgusting in a nice way.
It's nice.
I like it. Look, there's somebody left a macaroon.
I have that macaroon.
Come here, buddy.
You dropped a macaroon earlier. You dropped one. Ooh, this one's like really hard. So we're getting those ones.
Uh-huh. And the ones in your hands.
And then these ones.
Okay.
I think I got all the
Nothing.
ones.
Yeah, I think you got all the ones that you don't already have.
And,
we got the
and
best,
the good ones.
But I think we got the best example of each one.
Yeah. We got all the ones I don't have, and we looked for the most slow rising. The ones I have that one. No. I have a lot of these already, but
There are some that I hadn't seen before though. I'd never seen those fries before.
yeah, we saw them the first time.
If I hadn't seen the waffle that you already had, is the waffle the one that you got at Joanna when you went with Joanna?
Yeah.
Yeah, they must have just the Michael's stores must have just got some.
Like they just restocked.
Yeah.
Got a bunch.
It's in their interest to restock because I bet you they sell them all.
Yeah, they sell them really fast because they're like
Mikey,
squishies.
what'd you do with your frog, buddy?
There's
I
a
was gonna buy
frog.
you that frog.
There's a frog right here.
Okay.
See? There's a bunch of frogs. You should have gotten the duck. I like the duck better.
But he always goes for the frog though.
But I always go for the duck. The duck. Oh, I dropped the duck. There's all sorts.
Hey, come on, buddy.
And that's the only Crush Ball that there was. Look at these. Look at these Tsum Tsums.
Some of these are fish.
Yeah.
Like, what's this?
I don't know.
Move, buddy.
Starfish thing.
All right. Let's
Okay.
look around. I want to check by the kind supply.
We're gonna look around.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get these Squishies, and then I'll show you the Squishies. It's like grass. Look at the flowers.
Which one's your favorite?
This one.
That one.
Oh, look at the little gingerbread cookies.
That one's kind of cool.
It's Christmas shopping.
Yeah, he'll look. Sweet girl. Oh,
That's the best.
I tell you what, the line does move sort of decent.
This is the second time I've been. And it's not as bad as
It's not, no, it's not terrible. This is the,
No, you have to buy it separate.
Mikey, hands up. I'm gonna actually get it.
Where's this one?
Register 2.
Oh my god.
Okay, hang on. Like when it saw me,
Now.
hang on. That's good because now I don't have to run out and get another candle.
Oh, right. So, back in the car, we got the squishies in the truck. I'll give you guys a haul later. Alright, guys. I'm finally home. And it is now 2:25. And I'm going to give you guys a quick, like, a haul. But, you know, there's going to be... I'm going to go into better detail of the squishies so you guys can see, like, all the details and stuff. So here's the bag, and you can kind of see one of the squishies in there already. And I will show you them one by one. So first there is this like chocolate cake. Then I have this chocolate cake roll, and this one has like coconut shavings on it. I got this cake roll. And these sprinkles fall off really easily. I got this one, and I usually never get these ones because they're usually not even squishy. But this one, it's like super soft. And it's like a little bit slow rising too, which is awesome. Next I got another medium one, and this one is an ice cream cone. And I've actually never seen this one before, so I got this hot dog squishy. This one's pretty squishy, like it's pretty soft. And like these are like glazed on. I got these fries. These are so soft. Like these are just so soft. To go along with the fries, I got this burger, which is super, super duper squishy. Like that's pretty good for a Michael squishy. And I really like this one. So yeah, those are all the squishies I got. Comment down below which one is your guys' favorite, and bye.